There, how are you doing? Team Nokia Power is here, and we welcome you all to a very interesting video. As you can see, we have the Nokia 3.2 retail box here, and in this video, we will not only unbox the Nokia 3.2, but we will also share our first impressions of the design, build quality, feel, and also a bit of software run with you. We will also do a small side-by-side comparison of the design and other stuff with Nokia 4.2. So, as you can see, this retail box is similar to what you may have seen for Nokia 4.2. You have the name here and this Android One logo, which is a newer version, a newer kind of logo for the Nokia smartphones that they are using now. Here at the bottom, you see very like information. So this device is a 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage device. The variant number is TA1161. It's made in India, as has been mentioned here. And apart from that, what we can actually notice is that it tells us that only this 3.2 GB version has got the rear fingerprint sensor. So here are the major specifications before we delve into the unboxing part. So it comes with 6.26 inch HD plus 19:9 ratio display. Then there is a claim of 2-day battery life, and the battery capacity is 4000 mAh. It comes with 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera, and obviously a newer feature which obviously we would like to mention is the dedicated Google Assistant button. So 4.2 and 3.2 are the first Android One smartphones to come with this. I mean, in future there may be more, but for now only these two have come with dedicated Google Assistant button. And not to miss, Nokia 2.2 also has got a dedicated Google Assistant button. Now the another feature that obviously needs a mention is face unlock. So Nokia has started using face unlock feature on uh, like its smartphones, and Nokia 3.2, 4.2, and 2.2 have apart from Nokia 9 PureView have got this feature. So this Nokia 3.2 is powered by Snapdragon 429 mobile platform. Then, as we mentioned, only the 3 GB RAM variant has got the rear fingerprint sensor, which is clearly mentioned here. Okay, so this is how this box looks like. This is how it is described. So let's quickly do the unboxing without losing any more time. And here we are. So this is the device, and it really looks big actually. The first impression that we can share with you is that it really looks imposing, quite big in size. Okay, what else is there in the retail box? Let's quickly check. So we have the tool, so taking the SIM out, etc., and it's really handy. Like if you do unboxing, you can use it. Then you have the user info guide, booklet, and let's quickly see what else is there. So okay, so here we have a new look charger, I think, though it is only the USB 2.0, I think, because Nokia 3.2 does not have USB-C support. So yes, so it's like USB-C one, USB 2.0 only, micro USB charger. Charger is looks a bit different if you compare. And then you have headphone, standard headphone setting, which is good actually. Many devices don't ship with headphones out of the box, so at least here HMD has packed a headphone for you to use. Okay, so this is how and what is of unboxing. So you see, this is everything that we got. Charger, standard package. Yeah, but retail box is obviously attractive. So standard package, headphone, charger, and your phone. So okay, so we are done with the unboxing part. Now let's quickly take a look at the phone that we have. So it seems that the device, the 3.2 that we have got, is black, I think. Yes, it looks like black. Okay, so the first thing that you notice when you hold this device in your hand is this back which looks like pillow shaped. So a kind of like traditional feel of what we used to get on Lumia smartphones with pillow backed or pillow shaped back. So this actually is very, it gives a kind of comfort when you hold any device in your hand. So this back shape is really, really ergonomic. That's what I can say. So what you notice here, at the back is like a fingerprint sensor. So this is 3 GB RAM variant of Nokia 3.2. So it comes with a fingerprint sensor. Then you see the camera and the flash. The camera is a 13 megapixel autofocus camera. When you go to the bottom, you see the USB slot, and then you see the speaker, a microphone. If you go to the right, then you notice a very interesting thing. So like Nokia 4.2, it also comes with LED notification mated to the power button, which is a very good feature because many people wanted the LED notification on Nokia smartphone. So with Nokia 4.2 and 3.2, HMD has done the right thing, and they have mated the LED notification to the power button. Then you see the volume rocker. If you go to the left, you see the SIM tray here, and then you see this dedicated Google Assistant button. If you go to the top, you see the 3.5 headphone jack, 3.5 headphone jack, which has become a feature in itself because most of the devices actually kind of ignore it. And obviously, when you go to the top again, you see this teardrop shaped notch, which we also call the selfie notch. So this is how this device looks from every like possible angle: front, then the back, bottom, top, left, and then right. Okay, let's power it on and quickly see how it feels like. So you see the new Android One logo, which is greener as compared to the original Android One logo that we used to see on Nokia smartphones. So we will skip most of the things because we don't want to really uh, connect. We just want to show it how the display looks like because it's like the first impressions that we are trying to handle here. And we are here at the home screen, and I think it's a new wallpaper perhaps. So now this is how it looks like when it's powered on. You can now quickly notice the selfie notch, which is now looks prominent. The device, as I said, it comes with 6.26-inch display, so which is like big, imposing, but still, if you hold it in your hand, the pillow shaped back makes it feel very nice and sturdy in your hand. So the device looks every bit a Nokia design wise, if you ask me. It's great to kind of hold in even one hand because I mean even after such a big size of 6.26 inch, it's quite easy and comfortable in while working here because of its back shape, and the design looks nice. It really is pleasing, like the teardrop shaped notch and minimum bezels that will help in kind of having that feeling of modern device or modern smartphone from this. And obviously the build quality is top notch. From whatever angle you see it, you will really like it. The build quality is really superb. It really feels like a premium device in your hand, if you ask me. So we can quickly see few things like how is the camera UI, and this is how the camera UI looks like. Yeah, I think similar to what we have seen on Nokia 4.2. And we can also see how good or bad things like scrolling etc are. Device so far looks quite good. We cannot really do a performance review now, but at least we can just quickly see how the device runs around. So as we said, design is nice. The back shape is really good, that enables you to hold the device steady in your hand. And then the build quality is very, very good. It does look like a premium device in your hand. And obviously it looks big because it has got a big display. So we will quickly compare it to Nokia 4.2 because those devices were launched together. So Nokia 4.2 is here to the left, and this is Nokia 3.2, and you can easily see the difference in size. Now it looks prominent. Nokia 4.2 obviously looks bigger than Nokia 3.2, and the display size is, I mean, much different. Nokia 4.2 comes with a 5.71 inch, while it comes with 6.26 inch. So now you can see that there are like design similarities with selfie notch, and then there is like a difference between how both look like because of the size difference and the difference in design from sidewise. Yeah, I mean Nokia 4.2 looks more rounded as compared to Nokia 3.2, and Nokia 4.2 also has a slimmer profile or thinner profile as compared to 3.2, as one can easily notice. If you go to the back, backwise also, I think the profile is a bit different on both the devices. So Nokia 4.2 is more kind of, I think, squarish at the edges, but Nokia 3.2 has a pillow-shaped back, so which makes them look a bit different from the back. This is how both the devices look from all possible angles. Okay, with this we come to end of this video where we try to uh, where we have unboxed Nokia 3.2. We try to share our first impressions of the design, build quality. We also compared it to Nokia 4.2 side by side to just tell you how both look different actually. And with that, we have hope that you have liked the video. Stay tuned to nokiapositive.com and Nokia Positive YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching.